What's good? It's your boy jlgsyg here, back at you with what I have to say is a very special unboxing. I know I don't usually go with that intro, and I know I always say that, but this is definitely the most hyped up sneaker I've ever unboxed on this channel, and I've got it for you guys. A lot of people didn't get this shoe. You know, a lot of people didn't get it. You probably know what it is from the thumbnail and the title. But I do want to get straight into the video. But before I do, I need everyone, just because of how special this sneaker is, go down below, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and with that out of the way, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so you see it, you probably already know what it is. You see that reflective box, it's the off-white Nike Dunks. See that Nike tick, we got the reflective sort of silver metallic box here. Very nice. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. First of all, we got a size 8, best size. I'm sure you already know what color this is. The most hyped color in the most hyped up size. Look at that paper. We got the off-white and Nike paper. Off-white year 2013 on the box. As we open it up some more now, see that yellow paper. Down to the regular white paper that we always see. Gotta be very careful here with this paper. As I pull out the first shoe, ooh, god damn. Damn! These are nice. Off-white and Nike. We got these extra sort of lace support there with the orange laces, which was very interesting. You know, usually with off-white Nike clubs, you see Virgil sort of deconstructing the shoe. Here, it's probably one of the first times I've ever seen that he's actually sort of adding things to it, which is quite interesting. But I haven't really seen anyone wearing these yet. I've seen a lot of pictures of just the shoe itself, but on foot, I'm very interested to see how it works with the two laces. So what I'll do is I'll put this down here now. I'll take out the second one. This one's got the zip tie on it. The famous off-white zip tags. Let me just put this box down here for a second. And I'll bring these shoe around here. Alright, so first thing we notice, obviously, off-white and Nike zip tag. I'll try and get you guys a little angle on that. You guys can see there. I'll read out what it says on it for you. It says off-white and Cone Nike 2017 zip tie. So obviously the off-white Nike started in 2017, late 2017 I believe it was, with the 10 collab. It's 10 of the most famous Nike / Jordan shoes at the Jordan 1 in there, and Virgil took them, deconstructed them, and put them out as a 10 collection. All of those are going for pretty much over 1,000 Australian dollars now. Well over 1,000 actually, most of them are. Especially the Jordan 1, going for what is it, like 8,000 now? 9,000? Something crazy like that. Another little detail here, as we see on pretty much all the off-white shoes, all the off-white Nike shoes I should say, is the text in there. I don't know if you can read it quite clearly, but I'll read out what it says. It says off-white and Nike Dunk Low, Beaverton, Oregon, USA, 1985. So obviously this is a Nike Dunk Low in the pine green colorway. So I don't know what the USD conversion is. Probably something like 550, 600-ish maybe. But in Australian dollars, these are going for around 1,000, anywhere from the late 900s to the mid 1,000s. So 1,050 I think was the highest it's reached on StockX. Then you got to like 1,054, something like that. But anyway, these are going crazy. A lot of the little details here. We got sort of a retro-looking Nike tick here. Nike. I'm not sure. You guys gotta tell me down below. I've never had a pair of Dunks in hand before. Never really been interested in Dunks until these ones came out. But you guys gotta tell me: is this something that is on all of the Nike Dunks, or is it an off-white Nike touch? Or is it something that they brought back from retro Dunks? I'm not sure. Obviously we've got that more puffed up, deconstructed tongue, as you can see in there. Very nice touches. It just give the shoe such a clean look. Look at that Nike on the back as well. Sit these down. Let's pick up the other pair now. See if I can notice anything. Look at the sole, pine green obviously. Midsole is nice and white. And what I do notice about this shoe in hand is the leather. And the leather, you can tell, is such high quality. It has sort of these, so soft to the touch, if you know what I mean. With, especially in this white patch here, so soft, almost squishy compared to the Jordan leathers that you see, where it's so tough and pulled down to the tightest it can be. This one feels like soft to the touch, just beautiful. Another little thing here we notice is the orange sort of tagging, you could say, on the Nike swoosh. But yeah guys, that's pretty much all the details I picked up from these Nike Off-Whites. So that does bring me to the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a thumbs up down below, subscribe to the channel, and while you're down there, smash that notification bell just so you're notified every single time I post another banger video. Until next time guys, peace.
Bitch, I'm on my line, on my meat cause it's prime. Then I got behind, so but watch, can't waste time. She would never change, but fucking shit, she a dime. I'ma beat the pussy, I kill it like it's a crime.